Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Mobile WizTech. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 useful tips that can help you utilize even more of your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Before I get started, in case you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell button so that way you can stay up to date with new videos that are posted on my channel. So the first useful tip for the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus that I want to share with you today is taking one-handed screenshots with it. And all you need to do is place the phone in your right hand and then place your middle finger on the power button and then place your index finger on the volume down. So let's say I wanted to go to Instagram and I found something here and I wanted to screenshot it. As long as my middle finger is on the power button and my index finger is on the lower volume down button, just press it simultaneously, tap it. There you go. Very simple. So I know most of you are used to having a button over here, but you can still do it. I can pick the phone up, go right to it, boom, take a screenshot. So my second useful tip for the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus is simultaneously charging your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus and another capable wireless charging device. And I'll show you what I mean. So we'll go ahead and enable wireless power share and then turn down your Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Then you would take your wireless capable charging device and then place it on there, right? So that's charging. We all know that. But why not just go ahead and charge your Note 10 as well? So both devices are charging. And let me tell you how this situation can be helpful. Let's say you're at your buddy's house and he has like an S10 and you'll go over there with your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus and you go over there with your Gear S3 or Galaxy Watch, but he does not have one of those smartwatches by Samsung, and both of your batteries are running low. You can use his charge cable, like this one here, to charge your Note 10 and then wirelessly charge your Samsung smartwatch. That way you can achieve getting both devices charged at the same time. Now, of course, this won't be the fastest, but at least you will get the job done. And if you look here, the percentage has increased, so it's definitely receiving a charge. And also, put it on the screen, you can see that it's still fast wireless charging, so it is definitely doing both at the same time. So the third and final useful tip that I'm going to share with you today for your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus is for you to check all of your music streaming apps or your music player apps to see if you are able to enable Dolby Atmos. So you would just go into, like, let's say Samsung Music app, tap on the 3 dots right there, and then tap where it states sound quality and effects, and then make sure that Dolby Atmos is enabled. And you can also go here to equalizer and try out some of the different settings. I left mine on normal, which worked just fine. But after doing so, go ahead and stream music to your car radio or your wireless earbuds or your headphones, and you would notice that the sound quality sounds a bit richer. So go ahead and give it a try. I think you will like it. And again, if you don't, you can always go back and disable it. But those are my 3 useful tips that I wanted to share with you today for your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.